Welcome to JH. Cutler is out here peddling his liquid L-Carnitine 3000, a fat-burning potion marketed to turn you into a human furnace with a triple blend of regular, acetyl, and tartrate carnitine. It all comes in a sour gummy flavor that is surprisingly fun, because clearly, the secret to a professional bodybuilder's physique is just a shot of sour candy water. While the formula isn't a total disaster since L-Carnitine does play a role in energy metabolism, there is a massive catch. Taking it orally is about as efficient as trying to fill a bucket with a fork. Most of it just passes right through your system, giving you nothing but very expensive urine. Users generally report minor benefits like a tiny energy boost or slightly better pumps, which is essentially the fitness equivalent of a participation trophy. It's stimulant-free and sugar-free, making it a decent option if you're avoiding caffeine, but don't expect it to melt fat while you're busy scrolling through your phone between sets. The hype about supercharging your workout is a bit of a stretch, to say the least. It's not a scam, and it can be a tasty addition to your routine if you're already training hard, but it's far from a miracle. Think of it as a minor helper rather than a game changer. If you want real results, you'll still have to rely on the basics, though I'm sure the marketing team would prefer you just keep buying the juice.